DCN Army, welcome back to a brand new video. We are the DCN Show Daily Crypto Network, and of course what we do at this channel is keep you updated on everything happening in the Web3 space. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below. That continues to motivate us to continue on posting every single Wednesday of the calendar year. Yes, you've heard it. We give you updates every Wednesday on what's happening in the Web3 space, including all of its subcategories, talking about NFTs, crypto, Bitcoin, altcoins, blockchain technology, and everything else in between. So please subscribe down below and stay tuned for next week's video. In today's video, we've selected 4 articles to go through, and make sure you stay tuned until the very end. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of these articles? Should we have chosen better? Let us know. That being said, let's go ahead and jump into the first article of today's video that takes us to the crypto firm Gemini. Gemini has now relocated and decided to pick Ireland, the capital of Ireland, Dublin, as its European headquarters. So Winklevoss twins, who are the actual founders of the crypto exchange Gemini, they've actually decided that the city of Ireland, Dublin, would be a robust regulatory system where there's so much to do, so much opportunity, such as a deep talent pool, and of course a technology community that actually also has reasons aligned to why they selected the city of Dublin. So you can see here that many people have actually gotten rid of their Bitcoin, gotten rid of their holdings now that they're in the bear market. But despite calling for a ban on crypto advertising by the Irish Central Bank, the chief of several crypto companies have set up operations in Ireland, including other crypto exchanges like Binance and like Kraken as well. Gemini already has a Dublin office with 12 staff members and received a virtual asset service provider license from the Central Bank of Ireland in July 2022. Gemini plans also to increase its headcount in Dublin following the EU adoption of the Markets in Crypto Assets regulation. This is dubbed the MiCA, the MiCA if you'd like. What else? Gemini previously actually announced plans to establish an engineering hub in India to access tech talent as well. A lot of tech talent coming out of the big nation of India, and the move to Ireland comes right after a regulatory pressure that's happened in the United States as well, and the Securities and Exchange Commission, since they're taking quite the long while to actually come up with a regulatory framework, and they've taken action against Gemini in January. Moving on to the second article of today's video, takes us to Beijing, who have released a white paper for Web3 innovation and development. And boy, oh boy, this is what we call strides moving forward. Beijing has released a white paper titled the Web3 Innovation and Development White Paper 2023. This, of course, is to promote innovation and development in the Web3 industry in China. The white paper actually emphasizes that Web3 technology is a crucial trend that's not going anywhere, and for the future development of the internet industry, Web3 technology is going to take a big part of that. So Beijing is aiming to establish itself as a global innovation hub as well for the digital economy, with the Chaoyang district community committing significant funds to support Web3 development. Actually, the timing of the white paper is really interesting, because not only they said it was interesting, but just because Hong Kong new crypto rules will actually take effect on June 1st in literally one day. So that is actually coming into effect tomorrow. And also, despite China being previously against cryptocurrency and all of what we've seen as far as banning cryptocurrency, the Web3 white paper suggests that maybe the country's opening up towards the industry. And also recently, there's been coverage of cryptocurrency on the China Central Television. We've shared that on our Twitter. Make sure to go check out our Twitter down in the link in the description down below. We're moving on to the third article of today's video. Ethereum stored on Central Exchange has now hit a 5-year low. What is happening, guys? What is happening? So based on central exchanges in the world, Ethereum is reaching a 5-year low, with 17.8 million Ethereum currently held, representing less than 15% of the total token supply. Why is it decreasing? The decreasing Ethereum balances on exchanges are considered bullish, as it indicates limited supply available for purchase and immediate selling on exchanges. We are not here to share with you any financial advice, but what that means is simple economic terms. What is the first thing you learn in economics? Supply and demand. You do the math on your own. Ethereum supply as well as actually on exchanges has started dropping since September 2022, which affected investor confidence, of course, as well. A lot of retail investors were very skeptical on cryptocurrency after the fall of FTX. So the decrease in Ethereum balances on exchanges aligns with a rise in staking as well, with the amount of Ethereum being staked more than ever before, increasing from 19.3 million before the Shapella upgrade to over 21.3 million since May. So the Ethereum amount being staked considerably is growing at a significant rate. So the Shapella upgrade also is maybe the reason why we're seeing less Ethereum on centralized exchanges. The Shapella upgrade allowed validators, of course, to withdraw their staked Ethereum from the beacon chain after having it being held for 3 years or less. But once you staked your Ethereum, it was impossible before the Shapella upgrade to actually withdraw your Ethereum. So now that that is possible, people are more confident about this decentralized finance tool. So they're staking more. So leading to a decline in token supply. Leaving us with the last article of today's video takes us to Reddit, the enormous platform with a bunch of communities. I believe over 100,000 communities are actually on Reddit, and they've hit $32 million in NFT sales with nearly 10 million NFT holders, individual holders, since the Web3 launch. So congratulations to Reddit for being a pioneer in the space, but also proving that NFTs are far from being over with, far from dying. Matter of fact, it will continue to grow as well. So the most expensive Reddit avatar actually was sold for almost $50,000. Reddit has distributed approximately 2,000 NFTs per month since January 2023. So this is the reason why the total supply of NFTs keep rising as well. And the platform has 9,909,000 Reddit accounts holding NFTs with a market cap of $38 million. This is huge figures here and an impressive record, I would say, as well. Reddit also collaborated with Ubisoft to release what we see here as the Reddit Rabbids, which is an NFT collection that has a market cap of 38 million. As said previously, the Reddit collaboration with Ubisoft has offered users a chance to claim a free NFT through a minting process on the Polygon blockchain. And that is it, boys and girls. That was the last article of today's video. We appreciate every single one of you for tuning in yet again to another episode of the DCN Show. We at Daily Crypto Network wish all of you, DCN Army, a happy week ahead. We will see you next week with a brand new video. Stay tuned. Ciao, ciao.